Hi everyone, let's go to one more video here in our Diecast channel. In this video I'm going to show you this 1969 Dodge Coronet RT in a 1/18 scale. It's made by Auto World. Unfortunately I don't have a 1968 Dodge Coronet to show, but I can make some comments on it as I show this car. Before we unbox it, please don't forget to leave your likes and your comments below. And don't forget to click the bell for news. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's go on. So we've unboxed the car and now we can take a better look at it. This car has got the same lines of 1968 Dodge Coronet, but the front is different and the rear is different. This car is made in a very nice color and it's a reedition of the older collectibles. Front grille, very well made. And it's got the RT badge right here. It's not a grille itself, but it's a cast on plastic, but still very well reproduced, as well as the headlights and the blinkers right here in the front bumper. Let's open the hood, take a better look at the engine. Well, let's pop the hood open. These hinges here are really a little hard to open, but still you can see a very nice engine compartment with a very nice Hemi engine. It's made in Hemi orange, and we can see that cables and hoses as well as the other components were very well made. Not as well as they were made in the Authentics, but still it's a very nice piece. The hood, it's got the air intake, so it's very nice. The hinges could be a little bit better, as well as these radiator fixtures right here in the front. Blinkers for 1969 are rectangular. They're not rounded just like 1968. Chrysler pinstripe always present. This chrome trim right here below the bottom line could have been made in chrome, but I don't know why they reproduced in the same color. They painted this chrome around the wheel, but still a nice piece. Let's open the door. Door hinge is simple. Dashboard is simpler than the Authentics, but still very well made. It's black interior with a carpet. There are no rubber mats. Stick shift. Gauges, buttons and knobs are there, as well as seats, which don't have seat belts. Trunk doesn't open. Tail lights are very unique for the Coronet RT. Have triple tail lights, but this one actually hides the gas cap. Dual exhaust, rear bumper, Dodge and RT badges. RT stripe, single piece for 69 and 68. It used to be double. Let's open the driver's door. Very nice seats. Pedals were very well reproduced. Steering wheel, as well as the gauges. As we turn the wheels, steering wheel turns just like any other 1/18 scale car. And let's take a look at the bottom. Well, the bottom is basically primer and body color. Suspension is fixed. Drive shaft is fixed. Gas tank. Dual exhaust. The mufflers are made in silver, just like they're supposed to be. Hemi orange engine and a silver transmission, just like in a real car, and a black suspension and steering system. Well, it's a very nice car to have in a collection. It's got very nice wheels and tires. Yeah, it's a good car to have in a diecast part collection. So I thank you for all views, likes, and comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave your likes and comments below, and click the bell for news. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.